Hello sweetie, welcome back to my channel. So today is another video that I use my voice to do the video instead of ASMR. So this is something new about our blind bag. So this is looks so cool. So the same thing, I got it from Taobao. So anyone can purchase from Taobao. It's really good with a good price, and also I think it might be available in AliExpress or other website. So you can try to take a picture and can scan it and have a look whether they available or not. But yeah, so normally it often have a lot in Taobao, but not for other websites. So this is a blind bag, so I don't know either what inside here. So it have two color, the purple and the pink. For the pink one, I will do unbox in ASMR in another video, but the purple one, I will use my voice to for this time. And for this one, I'm not sure what her name, but for Australian food reviews, it doesn't mention any name either. But I feel like yes. Oh yeah, it has Chinese name here, so I haven't checked yet. Maybe like Chin Chin or something else. So I'm not sure this word. I need to check too. So it looks nice for the packaging. So let's see together. You know, like when you buy this kind of the blind box, I mean like the blind bag, it's really good. You know, you can give it as a gift and also surprise yourself. It should have a zipper here, but it's hard for me to open, so I just cut it. Cool. Let's see together what we got from here. I smell like rubber. Oh, what is this? I think this one, it comes with a nano tape. Or how to open that? It looks like it have a nano tapes. Oh my goodness, how to open this one? Oh, I open here. Do you know nano tape? I think the nano tape is really popular on YouTube. I don't play that because it's hard for me. It's not for me. Okay, so for this one, it comes with the sticker. It is a PVC peeling sticker. Okay, so this is cute. And oh, this is so nice. I used to have the big one, but this is really small. Too small. But it's cute, really cute. And we got a tweezer. And we still got two laser stickers. Okay. So this is a unicorn. This is nice for the sticker. And this is a tab. So this is a nano tab that I told you guys. Yeah. It is something that you need to play. I'm not good at it, so I don't know. And it's also come with this one. This is like Keychain acrylic. Okay, so I don't know how to use this one. So I think here is the result of the ball. I think if you used to see any video, I watch a video of this kind of ball, you know how to do that, but I don't know how. It's not my category, so I don't know how to. Oh, what is this? It's so cute. Ah, it is a washi tape. Look at this. This is something new. I never see her before. Don't know what is her name, but I show you guys. Wow, this is so beautiful. She's so cute. Look at this. I like how they design, but the thing that I don't like from here, because it look like purple is. I mean like everywhere is purple. Okay, so this is the long, I mean like the size. So it's just enough for. If I use it for the journal, it could be last for 2 pages, because this is really short story of this sticker. So yeah, because it comes with the blind bag, so it's okay. It's awesome. Wow, and also the washi tape. So it's come with 5 color. What is this color? But I know this is gray, pink, green, and then light green and dark green. Wow, still have a lot in here. I forgot the price. Not really expensive, about like $10 something. Not really expensive, to be honest. Whoa, homemade. Oh, it's so cute. This is look like a Snoopy doll. It just feel like a, no, it's not Snoopy doll. Is it? A hot water bag. Oh, so cute. New Zealand is winter is coming soon, so I think we can use this one for winter. So nice. Let me have a look a little bit. Look at this, so cute. So this one, we put the hot water inside and then we plug it, and oh my god, it's, you know, I can't imagine to use this one as a hot water. So nice, really nice. Okay, see another, oh, we got another washi tape here. This is another girl. This is something different again. It's, I think it's different to this one. It's not the same one. So this is so nice, you know, like $10 and you get a lot of stuff. You know, it's not easy. Oh my god, it's really stuck here, sticky. So for this washi tape, sometimes the quality is not really nice, as you know, like small mochi or tirado. Even, you know, like the color and the quality. So that is why the price is always like different. It's cute. Oh my god, this is so cute, and this is colorful. I love that. This is nice. It is about the food, about the bread, about the bubble tea. Everything's nice here for this roll. I love this one than the other one. And this one is glowing, for the other one not glowing. I feel like it is matte finish. So this is the difference. Do you know what is this? So this one, example, like you like writing and then you feel like you know what can I say, this one called, you know, if you like writing and then if you keep doing the same, it will got your hand rough. So in order to make your hand not rough, I can see so. So you need to do like that. Sometimes when I got my hand cut, but I don't mean like it is still hurt, I mean like it's already recovered, but it still have scar. So I just put this one on so it can hide on the scar and it feel like comfortable. But don't use it too much because it don't have like a lot of air around our skin. So just use it when you need it. If not, don't use it. It's not really good. Okay, so this is something to make a keychain stickers. It's come with a 2 wings with a 2 of the pendant plates, and this one's cute, really cute. I never see something really small like this. It's so cute. And it's come with 2 stickers, this one and this one. It is a laser sticker, so it is nice. Let's move on. Wow, we get another one. So we got one yellow and also one blue that I show you guys. Yeah, wow. So this is like what is it called? This is oh, the color is really nice. So yeah, it's not bad. It's a sticker too. So this one is should decorate on the plate. It's so nice. It's come with 2, and also we have these 2. This is a dragon. This is a laser sticker, and this is the last one. Look at this. Do you know? Oh, this is Kuromi. Is it Kuromi? It looked like Kuromi, but it's not Kuromi. So I think this is, oh, this is so nice. I know. So this is called the diamond, you know, like a diamond peeling stick. Oh my god. diamonds, DIY diamond paste. Okay, so it comes with like this here. So if you know how to do that, you can do that, and then you put that, and this is the frames. So I'm not really into this one. It's nice to see, but it is not nice to do. It's a lot of work. It's not what I like. But I know a lot of people like that. So it's just like another artwork, but to me, I'm not. But I don't mean like everyone the same to mine, because for the DIY diamond is really popular. So I think you guys will like it. So okay, so in conclusion, I mean, like, all in all, this set is really worth it, because it have a lot of item that is, I never see that before, because like I used to open a lot of blind bag stationery, but this one is a lot different. It's nice. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you guys enjoy, and see you in next video. Bye bye.